and manage storage. My name is Thomas Mitchell, and I'll be taking you through this course. I'm a senior systems engineer, and I have over 25 years of IT experience, several of those with cloud technologies. Over the past several years, I've begun sharing my knowledge and experience with other IT professionals via Udemy, via understandingazure.com, and via labitout.com. I also write and produce content and courses for several other online publications. I'm also the author of the Azure PowerShell Quick Start Guide, which is available from Packet Publishing. I firmly believe that my deep IT background positions me as the leading expert in my field on the Udemy platform. As such, I guarantee that the information you learn from me is accurate and grounded in real-world scenarios. This course is intended for Azure administrators who manage cloud services and for those interested in taking the AZ-103 exam. To get the most out of this course, you should have at least a moderate understanding of Azure services and features such as compute, networking, storage, and more. We'll get started by covering the creation and configuration of the Azure storage accounts. You'll learn how to provision storage accounts and how to configure network access to them. You'll also learn how to generate shared access signatures, how to install and use Azure Storage Explorer, and how to manage access and replication. Next, we'll move into Azure Import-Export jobs. We'll cover Azure Blob storage and how to import and export data using Azure Jobs. We'll then touch on Azure Data Box and how to configure Azure CDN endpoints. Later in the course, you'll learn about Azure Files. You'll learn how to create Azure file shares and how to use them with the Azure File Sync services. You'll actually learn how to deploy the Azure File Sync service from soup to nuts. Rounding out the course, you'll learn about Azure Backup. You'll learn how to create a recovery services vault and how to create and configure Azure Backup policies. After learning about Azure Backup policies, you'll learn how to perform backup and restore operations. By the end of this course, you should be able to implement and manage all aspects of Azure storage. This knowledge will prepare you for the implementing and managing storage exam objectives of the AZ-103 exam. I'd love to get your feedback on this course, so please give it a rating when you're finished. If you're ready to learn how to implement and manage storage in Azure, let's get started.